It's surprised Dhoni is standing right back. It's sometimes better if he's right up next to the stumps. He hits. India open their account. This is different. Well, this is Arafat now for Pakistan, and he misses. The crowd getting into it. What's the move there, Gucci?
He's Harvjan Singh going to go for the off spinner on the doosra.
He hits. 2-0 India.
That's 2-0. Could be a
Just to remind you, this is cricket, not soccer. 2-0 India.
And now the pressure really on Pakistan.
Yeah, what you got to do is bowl it normally and back your ability.
Absolutely right. Here goes goal. Misses. By a big one. It's still 2-0 India. Here's Uthappa. He hits. 3-0 India. Pakistan have to hit with all their remaining deliveries if they have to tie this. Instead, India have won, and have a look at the celebrations.